Hey folks, it's Ben. So I always come back to these with the bright ideas and stuff. And when I tore this thing apart, I've been yanking on it a lot and I can't smell any gas anymore, which makes me wonder, is it okay or not? So what I'm going to do now, and what I did just a few minutes ago, is I put some gas down the carburetor. Said, well, I wonder if it'll start if I put gas in it. The short answer is yes, it did. So I guess I'm starved my gas, but everything's been super oily too. So I'm wondering if something's wrong with the engine. It's causing it to blow a lot of oil through. Now I flooded it. Anyway, so yes, it did run for a little bit. Sorry I couldn't show you guys. So we have a fuel issue, and that's that. So I have to go back into the carburetor perhaps again and think around with that. But anyway, so the update is yes, it does run, not consistently, and I'm pooped. Anywho, subscribe to my channel, Turbo231. There'll be a part 3 for this once I get hacking on this, and I'm doing yard stuff right now. I figured I'd pull in it a couple times, see if I could get anything out of it. That's probably what's keeping it from going. The air thing closes. And that sound is the recoil starter being awful. Subscribe to my channel, Turbo231, my other channel, Red Barn Homestead. I gotta fix that recoil because it's loud and annoying. So anyway, thanks guys, have a good day.